Welcome to the session. Today we're going to go over the storage requirement to run AI ML workload. Uh, So the first we will go through some of the metrics, what is important for AML workload. The first one is the capacity. This refers to the total amount of the data storage system can hold. AML dataset can be massive, so ensure your storage access to accommodate growth in the data volume. And the scalability, again, it's related. The ability to easily add additional storage capacity to meet growing need. Look for storage solution that offer horizontal scaling, allowing you to add more node or resources are needed. Also, it can, if there's a performance issue, adding horizontal scalability will help as well. So data deduplication. This techniques eliminate redundant copies of the data, maximize storage efficiency. It's particularly beneficial for AML dataset that may contain duplicate data samples for training. So let's go to some of the performance metric. Throughput. This measures the rate at which data can be transferred to and from the storage system. High throughput is crucial for efficient data access during training and inference. So next one is the IOPS, input-output operation per second. This metric indicates how many read and write operations the storage system can handle per second. Random reads are common in AI/ML workloads, so focus on IOPS performance is for high frequent for specifically for inference and also for model training. Latency, this referred to the time taken for the storage system to respond to a data request. Low latency ensure fast data access and minimize training and inference time. The next is actually, there are some additional consideration. So durability, AML data sets are valuable asset. Ensure that the storage system offer data protection mechanism like redundancy and replication to prevent data loss in case of a hardware failure. Data lifecycle management makes AML workload often involve different stages, raw data, process data, train data model, etc. The storage solution should accommodate efficient management of data across its lifecycle, including archive, less frequent access data. Cost. Storage cost can be significant for large AML dataset. Evaluate the cost effectiveness of the different storage option based on your specific needs. So we just let's go through a some summary of a storage solution in so each with its own strength regarding scale and performance. We're covering three different type of storage. Object storage, highly scalable and cost effective for uh, storing large unstructured data set, commonly used in AML, good for archiving less frequent access data. High performance file system HPFS offer throughput and low latency, ideal for frequently accessed training data and model file. If something required very large amount of data with model training and also for inference, HPS is preferred. Cloud storage provide an on-demand scalability and pay-as-you-grow pricing, making it a good option for workload with a fluctuating storage need. This is like a summary of you. So we can go to the next slide with more detail on the specific need for each of the specific type of workload. Guideline. Now, if I have put a table for different set of data, the type of data, and what is the desired kind of a desired kind of storage type for each of them, and also the what is the specific characteristics required like IOPS capacity, latency, throughput, etc. If you look at in a summary, we can see some of this, most of this, we can able to, the object storage is one of the key storage where it's cost effective as well as it can purpose for more, a lot of this image, audio, video, etc. And then for so specifically for high frequent the model training and inference, it's desired to have HP high performance file system with the low latency. So based on your need, you can choose a specific. I think this hope the table help you. You can take detail through go through the each of the items specifically. We went through all the specific areas. So, in summary, the best storage solution for your AML workload depends on your specific requirement. Consider factors like data size, access patterns, budget, and desired level of performance when making your choice. So, based on what specific data set, you can choose a specific data set, and let the table help mostly to identify what is your requirement, specific need, and what type of storage you need to choose. Thanks for attending this session. Hope it will help you understand the storage AML workload storage characteristic and how can you choose your storage solution.